Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change font on Shopify. The first thing you need to do once in your Shopify admin dashboard, as you can see right here, you are going to select Online Store from the menu option on the left hand column. After selecting Online Store, you will be led to the Themes page, and from here you are going to select Customize beside the theme that you have chosen. After selecting Customize, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to select the paintbrush icon in the top left hand corner. It's the second icon, you can see it right here. Then you are going to select Typography. That's the second option from the top. After selecting Typography, you can see the text or the font style for the header, and you can simply tap on change if you would like to change that. Then you can scroll down and you can see the different font styles that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I want to change it to this one. I can simply tap on it and you can see that the font style has now changed. Let me select another one, for example, to show you again. So you can watch right here and you can see that the font style has changed again. Then you'll simply tap on select and you can scroll down and you'll be able to change the font style for the body also. And that's it. Once you have made the changes, you can simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to change font on Shopify.